Hi, in this clip I'm going to talk to you about creating and using text boxes in Excel. We have our Excel worksheet here. It's in this workbook and there's a little table on here with numbers, our sales data. But we want to have another area to add text in this workbook. We'd like to have some text that isn't part of the table. You know, we don't want it to be in a cell. We don't want Excel to confuse it for information that is part of this table. We want a separate text box, and we can do that. To add a text box, we need to go up to the Insert tab, and we're going to come all the way over here to the right to the Text section. You see that there? When I click there, I get this little flyout here, and the first option is Text Box. That's what I want. I'm going to click on that, and when I bring my mouse pointer down to the workbook, you see that it looks like an elongated crosshair, right? When I hold down my left mouse button, see now it's just a big crosshair. So I'm going to keep holding down my left mouse button and I can drag it and start to draw that text box. I can make it as big as I want or as small as I want. I think something like that's about right. When I get it where I want it, I'm going to let go of my mouse button and now I have that text box. And I can simply start to type in here. So I'm going to add a little bit text in here, and we can also format any of the text in this box. So I can go ahead and highlight that text and I can make it bigger. I can change the color if I want. Let's make it red. Let's go all out. I can make it bold, put it in italics. I can even format the text box itself. I can do all that kind of stuff. I can move it around. It can sit on top of the table. And the good thing about it is Excel won't consider anything that's in here as being part of this worksheet. It's just an object, and as such, it can be formatted like any object in Excel. So now you know how to insert and use text boxes in Excel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.